Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Cash App Boost. In order to use the Cash App Boost, you need to follow these steps. So to use your Cash App Boost, you need to have a Cash App debit card, such as Cash Card first of all. Then you have to access the Boost section or the Boost section in the app by clicking on the card icon and then selecting Explore Offers or similar options, and then you have to browse the available Boost. So first of all, I'll go step by step. So first of all, if you don't already have one, order a cash card through the Cash App. Then next, you want to open the Cash App and tap the card icon to access your cash card details. Then you can look for an option like exploring offers or boost to see available discount. Next, you have to select the boost you want to use. Some boost may require many add them to your card, while others might be automatically applied. After which, when you make a purchase with the cash card at a participating merchant, the boost will be automatically applied and you will see the discount reflected in your transaction details. Then you have to boost have expiry dates, so make sure to check the terms and conditions and swap out from the expiry boosts for new ones as well. So this is basically how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.